Welcome back, people. I just have to finish a very small part of work where I need to just bring some safety checks so that I can deploy my application fully. I might do this today. I will do this today. Not might, I will do this today. So I'm just opening my streamer bot. Yep. I'm just checking if things are working fine. Yep, they're working fine. So yeah, let's go. Coding, stream assistant. Let's finalize this first. No need, please. No need, please. So let's watch. I'm executing this command so that it converts Typescript to JavaScript and saves it inside this dixt folder. So one thing I must make sure is I shouldn't send the request unless there is a payload. Video ID. Unless this factor is set to true, I shouldn't do this. So if is video URL set, once it's sent, that's when it's safe to make the request. If not, it's better to just keep it aside. I'm just making sure I keep my phone on all the time. So now I will apply the same for this as well. We have the video URL. That's fine. That's fine. So I need to make sure that I shouldn't send like multiple requests. If I get this new, or else I can do that. I guess I can do stats. It's fine. Okay, this has been done. Now I need to make sure, is there any way to deploy this as fast as possible? Currently I'm waiting for 20 seconds so that the first page opens up, and then it takes a while to get all the responses. After that I need to do this. Okay, so no further changes in this file. Now let's go for alerts. So basically this is my backend server. Once this has been deployed as well, I can I don't know if it's working or not. Maybe I need to just change one more thing. I just wanted to check whether it's working or not. So it's working. I'm not going to touch it again. So I recall doing something here. Whoa. I think I can make it possible to execute this. I have written all my databases. Yep, I think I should be good to go now. Let's see. I will be running my go run main.go. Once this is up, fine. Backend is currently turned on. So I currently all 5 tables has opened in 11 milliseconds. discard stats, next empty for. I don't know what this is, so I'm going to ignore it for now. And now I'm going to turn on my main bot, which monitors my YouTube activity. So yep, cd main, go run main.go. So it should spin up a Chrome instance, which it did on the next window. Oh, I think it's better if I open the right URL. Where is my URL? I forgot how to give it. Oh, I save it, I guess. Okay. So this one doesn't have the URL, so I need to go change it inside the node. This one, okay, and this is the live stream link. I hope this works. The /live would just directly take me to my live stream, so that's kind of working fine. And then come here. I hope this works. Running in development environment, nice. Allow. Server IP is my current PC, nice. It opened. I can see my chat screen. It's still loading up. Still loading. Still loading. Yep, I got my chat window. It's up and running. Now let's see what's happening. I got one like. That's great. I'm just thinking of closing all these workers. Only, as you can see, all I got is message successfully sent. Now I am just making sure everything is working fine. I am just making a comment. I think I have my points while working, so it's correcting the points. That's nice. Points. Oh, so it won't be sending the message, I guess. Yep. So I need to change that. Alerts. Where is it? Why Streamlabs is active? So I'm going to do something else. So in the main bot. Yep. If it's dev, don't send it. Yeah, I'm doing this. So for now, I'm just going to ignore this and run the program again one more time. Now it takes around 20 seconds to turn it on. I know that's not a good number, but I have to do this. I'm even sending a congratulations message for 0 likes. I need to stop doing that, so that's the first thing I might do in the alerts. Likes, where is likes? Okay. Well, the like counts as greater than 0. And what is the likes? I think this should work fine now. Okay, let's see what happens. I'm making a like. So that's working. Now I'm going to just check this one, points. So I have 7 points. Fine. I'm going to ignore that. So, and the other thing is, so this is working. The other one is also working. Now, what else? So I have the points working. I have the speak command working. I have Relaying Mama is also working. All I need is just let it run for some time. Let's see how it deals with it. I think the join date is not being populated, I guess. The user data is. Yep, we can see the join date is not being populated. So this is update and this is join. It should save it. For some reason it's not saving. Yeah, it should work. Join date is here. First video link is also not being saved. Oh, last video link is being saved, but the first and join date is not being saved. Maybe it's better to just refresh the database, which I'm going to do right now. I'm going to delete the database. Yep, and I'm going to turn it again just to make sure there is some consistency. The server has been initiated again. Hi. So this is my first text. It has 1 point. Obviously, I have deleted the user, so that's why it's creating the first. And hey dude, this dude is new to the hood, so that means he has never commented on my channel. That's what Railing Mama is saying. And then let's send it again. Now this time it shouldn't create a new user. Clicking it again. Hello, check. It didn't enter this. So eyes. Did it crash? It's processing messages. This is happening a lot lately. It comes still here, but for some reason there is. And what else is causing the issue? Maybe after sending the message, it's crashing. Hey, dude. Stats received successfully, and after getting the stats or messages, and I need to go to the process message queue. Inside this, then it goes to the database queue. Let's do this. And each database, it says continue, continue, continue. That's it. There's nothing exactly being happening here. I think after sending the message, it's starting to fall down. That should happen. Or else it's better to just call it in a new function, maybe. Go function. I'm just going to do this. What's up here? Expected. Oh yeah, go function. Okay. I think that's how you call it. Not. I'll just confirm it. Go function. Oh yeah, I need to make a function call. Okay. Maybe this time it works as expected. The problem is I don't know what's causing the issue. Okay. This is first text to put eyes. Okay, it did whatever it could. Nice. Then I start again. See, it's dead. So what's causing the issue? Is it database? Is it database causing the issue? I want everything to be running in a execution. Just don't know what's happening. Look who showed up, passing the messages. It should go there, and something has gone wrong. Look who showed up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disable basically the points, or else I'm not going to call the other function. Let's see if I disable this, maybe that work. Even for some reason, I look who showed up. Where is this actually? So I got this. I got user points. So I'm going to keep them this way so that just 10 user points, and then the user exists. So yeah, I can save the join dates now. It's fine. And look who showed up. It's work ready to roll. Yeah, that's fine. So I think if it's 1, where is it? Sample messages 0.0. Yeah. So after this, nothing seems to happen. Let's just put a ftm print. User just I have no idea why this isn't working. So why does it say? Did I restart it? Check. Okay. That's it. That's it. It comes till here, and then the queue. Is it ending the queue or what? Let's see how the others are being processed. For some reason, I'm going to maybe try this. Let's see if this is working. Check. Hey, that's working. Hello. So this is working, and this is not working. So when I add this, it's not working. Why wouldn't it work? Why wouldn't it work? Why wouldn't it work? Action list. Take messages and push it in here. So that should happen in another processing way. Maybe function. I really don't have an idea why this isn't working. So anything database related is not working. Check it now. But why passing messages? Oh, there was another one. Okay, right. So something is happening here. Something is happening. The moment Railing Mama sends a text, things starting to fail. I don't know why. So after this, if it exists, something is happening here. Continue. What about I don't send this? Let's just see if that's working. Okay, so just hello. Just now. Again. Oh. So things are working as expected, except when I call this function. No. Welcome. What is the message regarding? What's the message? Did I disable database? I don't think I disabled database. No, I didn't. So something happening after I send the message, it gets triggered again, and oh, so I think I know what's happening. If it's, I might need to ask ChatGPT. 1 second. For each message, if a user is ignored, I return, but it's stopped for all other users' messages after that. So basically it's continue. Oh, it's supposed to be continue, not. Well, looks like I learned something new. That's awesome. So the problem isn't with this, it's with that. Someone liked the string. Thank you so much. The application is almost complete. Just it would hardly need more 30 minutes. After that, I'll be pushing the code, deploying it in my backend. It should start working. So I think URL, everything's fine, I guess. Yep, post. So this is fine. This is fine. So I can send the YouTube messages now. So I don't need. I think final executions to see if things are working fine. Let's go. Put eyes. Okay. It did welcome the user now. So what are my points? I don't think that would work, but it's working. Okay, points, If it's working, I will be jumping. Yep, things are working as expected. Yep. See message, Relangi Mama. Oh, Streamlabs. What that has to do? I might need to ignore Streamlabs. Streamlabs, okay. Go into the ignored contains, ignore users. And just add Streamlabs. Okay, Streamlabs is now ignored. I think it's better if I can use @ points, but I know that's not working as expected, so I just ignore it. Okay, this is working fine. Speak command, I think that will be working as expected. So user points is working. I think I'm good to go. I'll just deploy it and see how it's reacting. Yep, looks like things are working as expected. Did I like my stream? No. Hey, someone disliked my stream. Not exactly dislike, just remove the like. So Pyron, Pyro, I'm going to call you Pyro. Welcome to the stream, Pyro. Welcome to the stream. So I'm currently building, I'm almost built. I'm just going to make an output file and then upload it in my database or backend so that I can run it without all these VS Codes. So what am I building? I will be showing you in just a second. So 1 second, please. Just open a new browser. So why would it request 2 times? So yeah, Relangi Mama, don't ignore it. That's my bot, and this is what I'm trying to build. It's almost built. So you see this stream assistant. I'm building a YouTube stream assistant, which gives points to the users based on the comments they make, etc., etc. You can do something like this. Just press this and do points. It should show you how many points you have. I'm going to turn off the Streamlabs. It's kind of spammy. I'm going to turn it off, but I still need it so that I can see the subscribers. Yep, that's very cool. I still have some other. So yeah, there is a lot of spam happening from Streamlabs. I need to turn it off. There is other one. So if you like my stream, you can dislike it. You can remove the like later on if you don't really want to. But just like my stream, you will see something happen. So if someone likes my stream, so imagine this, I maintain a constant count of the likes. Doesn't matter if someone likes and dislikes it and someone else dislikes it at the same time. If the absolute count of that is greater than the previous count, that means someone has liked. If someone removed the like, then something else will happen. So I want you to remove the like now. Just don't dislike the stream, just remove it. I'm waiting for you to do this. Yep. So this is what happens. So I still have one more thing to show you. It works, it's awesome, but I want to deploy that so that it works. It is pointed to my backend server, which is hosted in Raspberry Pi. I didn't deploy my code into that yet. I'm still testing in dev. So yes, everything is, the backend is written in Golang, the streams, everything what's happening here is handled by Golang, except the basically fetching the comments and the users, that's controlled by Typescript, Node.js, but the instance of Node.js is still managed by Golang. So that's what I'll show you now. So if you see this is the Golang instance. There are two. So one instance will be running in my gaming PC, which opens up a Node.js instance, which is here. This instance is nothing but, or else I'll explain it in this way. So can I edit this? Yep. So this, what it does is it opens a Chrome, a controllable Chrome, debugged Chrome, I guess. Yep, it's fine. So it opens a Chrome, and inside that, and it just leaves it there, and then it starts this playwright instance. What it does, it controls the Chrome which the Golang has opened, and then opens two tabs, one for getting the likes, like what's happening inside the stream, and the other one specific tab just so that I can see the whole chat window, just for my convenience, nothing matters. What happens is this playwright instance fetches all the API responses which is happening in the browser. It's not web scraping. I know that sounds the same, but it's not that. It's just monitoring what's happening in my Chrome. It won't change anything. It just fetches the API requests which comes to the Chrome, which contains the comments or the live chat, as well as the, are you even watching? If you're watching, I will continue. So yeah, it will fetch the live chats and the stats, like count, viewer count, as well as subscriber count as well. So all this, of course, yeah. Oh, sorry, I just wanted to know. So all this information, stats and comments, will be sent to my Golang backend server, which is this. This does a lot of job. There are some changes. Uses, what is this? I think I'm using BadgerDB, stored as a single file database. Yes, cron job to save the file in the backend server. That's also happening. What else? Since text back to bot, I will explain this. So now the backend server, what it does, it takes all the inputs it gets from the playwright instance. After getting it, I think it's better to show it in the code. Where is it? Oh, this is playwright. This is alerts. Yep. So there are few endpoints which I created. One is, I'll talk about this later. So the stats is what the likes and other count reaches the server, and this one is the comments. I'll talk about the likes first because you can see that in the demo. So what is, if the stat, you can say it's plain simple, like compare. If the likes and previous likes, if it's in the negative, then someone has removed the like. If it's in positive, someone has liked my stream. If it is the same, that means either someone liked and someone removed, or no changes. If that happens, it won't do anything. And so if it's off, so I kind of forgot what I'm doing here. I don't know. I did. Congrats, the stream has reached this many. Yeah, I forgot what this does. Okay, so like compare goes up, it deploys an action. I'll talk about these actions just in 1 minute. Are you leaving any text? I'm not getting it. Okay, and what is this? Yep, if the like goes up, it does this. If the like goes down, it does this. I'll talk about the action things now. So this function, what it does, by looking at it, there is no way you can understand what it's doing. So I'll come to this one. So Golang operates the streamer bot which is running in my streaming PC. So I'm not directly controlling my OBS. I'm controlling my streamer bot, and streamer bot will be controlling my OBS. This way, I don't have to write a lot of code to control my OBS. Initially, I did that. It's painful and it's a lot of work. So I thought, why not just connect it to Streamerbot, where I can customize a lot of things. I don't have to change the code. I just do it in the application, and that can be used by HTTP requests network and will be triggered by the Golang backend. So that's what happening. So when the server gets initiated, it's going to fetch all the applications, not this one. Yeah, get actions list. So in the IP, again depends, it loads up dynamically. Once that happens, it's going to get all the actions lists which are active in my Streamerbot session. It assigns in an enum way, and then I can just call this function to do that particular action. When that action will be done or on what basis, that will be decided by the Golang. But this is what it is. I'm going to stop here and ask you, do you understand it, or do you have any concern? You wanted to know anything else? Or if you didn't understand any part, I can explain it. I hope you're still watching. I can proceed to the next one. Oh yeah. Oh, my language or the Golang language? My English isn't that great. I know. Oh, I don't know, but your logic makes sense. Yep. You don't have to use a language. I mean, you can build it in any language. Oh, thank you. So yeah, you have reached 10 points. Did you leave 10 messages? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, exact 10. So the logic is working fine. So now I'm going to come to the comments. So the thing is, this concept was built back in 2021 or 2022. But back in the day, I was streaming games, and I built this application something similar in Python. It wasn't fun. It's a lot of patchwork or a duct tape fixes. It's not really an engineer, how a software engineer would do. I just searching the internet, like how to solve this, and then bringing all the pieces of code, and it's a puzzle. Instead of database, I was using some file-based storage, like text files. It was slow. Python itself is slow, and then that process got even slower. When I noticed my VR count has going up, I've started facing issues, and now everything is communicated based on IP addresses and HTTPS. But previously, I used to upload the URL of my chat window, the chat URL in a file, and then another Python instance is going to fetch the file and read it. I mean, it technically works, but when you run it, it works fine. But after some time, you started to feel issues where there is some locks in the system. The file is already being used by one Python and the other one is... Back in the day, I had a different mindset where, like, I wanted to make this thing work. But now I work as a software engineer, in a professional... at a day, I work as a software engineer. I learn few things. Now I'm really good. I write a code, that means I make sure that it's reusable and not really breaking anything for now or for the future. So previously I just, okay, I need to fetch the file. Okay, fetch the file, that's it. Now, what if I fetch the file, but what if the file is not there? So I work as a software engineer for an insurance-based company. I handle AWS, front-end Angular, back-end Python. I don't enjoy Python, but I'm paid to do that, so I'm doing it. I only use Python when I have to, like lead code is good, and it works. Other than that, I prefer static type languages in general. I enjoy Typescript. I enjoy Golang. What else? Yeah, primarily these two. I can do anything with these languages. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm almost done computer science in college. I think I'm going to go in video games. So you're saying you're leaving my stream and going to play video games, which is fine, or you're going into a game development side? Oh, with your degree. I have one of my friends. Yeah, game development. Okay, I got it. So basically you are more into Unity, I guess, like C#. I'm completely opposite of that. But again, I would suggest you to do, yeah. So it doesn't matter what language you use. It's just the mindset. I did games in 2D, 3D, and even VR. That's awesome, man. I never had any passion for game development myself. I'm a gamer, by the way. I'm a gamer. I will show you my games. Are you a gamer as well? I play a lot of games. So I play. This photo is taken by me, by the way. So this is my Steam library games. These are all the games. I play Apex primarily. I play PUBG. You're already on 20 points. I think I have to change the number from 1020 to something like 2040, because it's fine. It's fine. I will keep it in this way. I just like the creative side of it, creating your own world. Programming is freedom. You can do whatever you want. So these are the games I play. War Thunder, yes. When I'm at work and I feel bored, I start my work machine and I just play with my controller from my other monitor. Don't say that to my manager. Okay. And Tom Clancy's Siege, I like this game. And the other games I also play is EA, from EA. Where is it? I play all the Battlefield franchises. If you're into Battlefield, if you're not, fine. And the other one I play is Fortnite, which should be here anytime soon. Yep. I don't play the other games, not much, so I just had it because I have friends who like to play that. I was playing Fortnite earlier. Nice. You played Battlefield 1 mostly, yeah. I only play multiplayer. I used to play story games previously, but I got bored, and now I'm deep into multiplayer. I might stream some games tomorrow. After I finish deploying this code, I think I'll be good to go. So now I'm going to show you the speak command. It's good for what is the word? Spoilers. Just like Twitch, like you send the voice commands thing. It's the same like that. I would like to show you. Please wait. In order to make it fast, I'm going to deploy it and just push that one file so that I can make it fast. ls. Oh, sorry. I think you might be losing your points. Or else I can just push these as well. You know what? I'll just commit my changes and push it. Fixed for loop should use. Okay, I'm going to commit all these. I think it's better to save the. Yeah, I think it's better to have the database, because for the first time I'm unable to understand, should I save it or not. I'm just worried that your points will be gone. I mean, it's 20. I can manually assign those points, so I don't want to like ruin my Git. Okay, I'm committing it. So it's fine. Thank you so much. I'm going to generate a build. I am a person who forgets a lot of commands, so I normally write it in my README files. 1 second, please. So these are all the things I need. I'm just waiting for it to build. That's built. So now I'm going to commit this as well. Build. Yep. Sync changes. That's perfect. While that is being happening, I'm going to connect to my Raspberry Pi. Okay, my Raspberry Pi is loaded. I use Tmux. Are you into Linux, by the way? Tmux list, I think it's alerts. Yep. Tmux attach -t alerts. Yep, this is the one. ls. Now I'm going to. Yep, it pushed. Git stash. Oh, I can understand why you. Yeah, Linux is good, man. I mean, initially it was complicated for me as well, but once you get to know its power, it's awesome. But again, it's only awesome for people who are into my side of development, like apps, servers, and everything, because you have to interact with Linux, and that's when you know why people use Linux. But I don't think it's really popular in game development side, because C hash is primarily a Microsoft based. Yep, I think we are on the right path. Yep, that's it. If you don't have any use case, don't worry about it. Git stash. Okay, now I'm going to just git pull. I have no idea of Unity. I know it's used to make games, but I don't know what packages or what it's going to be. But it's impressive that you made a VR game. I never tried VR game, but it's impressive. You're trying to make a game already. Nice. So you're in. So I would suggest you. I mean, if you want a suggestion from me, I'm not going to give you any suggestions on game development because I'm not from that domain. But game development needs a lot of logic building. Trying to solve a problem in a very optimal and optimized way. I think that's needed. CD alerts, ls chmod plus x alerts. So if you don't unable to understand what I'm doing, so you see this alerts, that's my execution file. That means that's my output file. But I need to give it permissions so that I can execute it. So what do you mean by logic? So the logic which I meant was, I mean, most of the logics can be given by ChatGPT these days, like optimized logic, but if I'm talking about lead code level logic, because I'm not saying that you will be applying the same problems in your game development, but you will have a different thinking. You see a problem and you see it in a different way. It's just my opinion. So let's say there is an array and you want to do something with the data inside it. Normally, if you don't have a good logic building, you will take a lot of time and you will come up with a solution eventually, but it's not going to be optimal. But if you practice those questions, the lead code questions, you will think the problem in a different way. Yep. Finding assets. Yeah, that's true. I know of close friend of mine who does game development even today. He works as a professional game development. So yep, I know. Again, game development is complete different of its own. I know we touch our hands because of coding, but yep. Did you say bat? Oh, you say battlefield and it considered it as a bat. So this is one of the other things I wanted to show. So you can type Iron Man and you will see Iron Man on my face. I am not controlling it. The program is controlling it. Give it a try. By the time I am just going to do this. You see, I won't even be touching if you don't touch me. If you don't touch me, I won't be touching it. Just type. So I have Joker, I have Iron Man, Batman, Ice, and I didn't find a Captain America one. Sorry, even I'm a fan of Captain America myself, but I didn't find it. The one I found was Joker. Yeah, so I have Joker, I have Batman, Ice, like EYES. What's the other one? Thug. Yeah, this is Ice. I like these one. These are fun. They shake a lot. So I really wanted to show you the speak commands. So let me finalize this. This is my first test. I don't know if it. Yeah, there is a runtime error. Why there is a runtime error? I think the database won't work for this. How can I scroll up? Can't I scroll up? Oh, I mean, it's just trying to show you what errors it is piling up, but it's not really that scary. So we can see that it opened. I mean, the server actually started, but it says error while creating a log file. Opening this cannot allocate a memory. Why is that? I think I have compiled it for the wrong CPU. The thing is, my computer runs on x86, but my Raspberry Pi runs on ARM-based CPU. I haven't checked whether the DB Badger supports this. Or else I can do this. Go run main.go. It's going to run it in live. That would take a lot of time, but let's see. Yeah, it's building. In the next semester, I am done with my undergrad. I have completed my masters as well. So, I can give you some tips if you want to know. If you want to ask anything, just ask it. I'll give my best advice. If I don't know something, I'm going to say I don't know. I don't think I can suggest you anything with game development because I personally have no experience out of it. Not even some projects. But you have already created a 2D game, 3D game, and a VR game. Then you know better than me. All I can say I know better about business handling as well as cloud, AWS, lambdas, ETL pipelines, step functions, database management, but none of this have any uses for you. Honestly, to me, I'm just trying to build a portfolio which includes the game, but also I want to make some other project. What do you suggest should I include in my portfolio? So you're going to attack game development side. So obviously you need to have a game-ish portfolio. If you want to maintain a balance, I mean, in time, maybe in 4th year or 3rd year, you realize maybe you don't really want to do game development. You want to be back at software side, just like us. So you might want to have a middle ground. But if you're consistent and if you are deeply motivated, that nothing, whatever happens, you're going to be a game development side, just do it. If you want help with making a website, I'm there. No worries. I'm not asking for money. I can do that for free as well. No worries. Permission denied. So why is that? Is it downloading again? Cannot open the directory.db. I think I need to reinitialize it. I will definitely make a site for it. Plus, you can add Unity games to the site pretty easily. Yep, I heard of it. I didn't personally use it. Or you can. So one thing I only suggest you is WebAssembly. Are you aware of it? WebAssembly. Learn that. You will be unstoppable. You will really be unstoppable. Yep. So at times, if you have any interest in developing browser level games, yes, WebAssembly is another thing, Unity is another thing. There is another thing called Three.js. This is a plain 3D library. Are you aware of it? So everything which is happening in the 3D is Three.js. It's fast than having some canvas loading it in. It's awesome. A lot of game developments are into this because if you understand the game development mindset or the logic building inside the game development, you will understand this library a lot easier. So in future or someday, I really suggest you to come into the web side of games as well, because my friend also did game development, and he realized that apart from Unity and CI, you need to know these on the fly browser level 3D game-ish animations, because that will give you a lot of, I mean, yes, you can build the games, no doubt in that, but this opens up a new creative mindset in your brain that is very attractive for the companies. So yeah, this is 3JS. It's a very like a solid, what do you say, library, highly maintained and everything. So it's completely different. Yup, you need to. So it's all 3D. I heard you can link up the physics inside this, but so the logic remains the same. The way how you implement physics in the C hash, it's exactly the same here as well. I saw it, I didn't do it. So you can create a content for VR as well. It's up to you. I just wanted to share what I know. So recommended workflow. So Blender, I don't know what it does, but I heard of it, never really used it. So WebGL, I know you guys would deal with graphics, so this is one of it. Okay, allocating memory. I guess I need to do ChatGPT now. Yeah, I don't want to like bombard you with all the things you might need to learn. It's just, hey, if at some point you realize maybe you want to learn something new but also related to your field, give this a try. Yep. True. Game development and programming, like software development, there is no one thing and you learn it and it's enough. No, you have to keep learning multiple things in order to make you a complete, not complete, but a flexible developer, so that you can develop games, you can develop animations, you can develop 3D stuff. This will open more opportunities for you. If you're only good at one thing, you have to find a jobs in only that thing, and you're decreasing the possibilities out of it. But don't try to learn everything, just make the fundamentals. And what about hiring? Is it usually interviews or coding tests or what? For us, it's interviews and coding tests. It's both. For the other, I have to ask my friend because I don't know. Just like I said before, things I don't know, I don't know. I don't exactly know how the game development interviews would happen, but my friend said that logic building, like the lead code logic building, is really important because game needs performance more than a website. I can accept like a 1 second or 2 seconds delay in my server, but I cannot accept the same thing in games. So you need to write a very optimal code. I hope I answered your question. So yeah, now with the help of AI, ChatGPT, you write a logic by yourself and then paste it inside it. It will give you what else could have been better. So you have a good friend. Don't depend on it, just use it as a tool. So it's like a screwdriver. If you don't have it, don't panic. Try to find a different screwdriver, but use it as a screwdriver. Without it, don't be like, I can't do anything. I'm so sorry, I thought this would work. No, I didn't do that. So AI is a very broad word. I have used AI APIs, so that like the text you send, I wanted to create a GIF out of it, but I used it, but not really machine learning AI. That's painful, and I didn't do it. So why didn't I do it? Because because that's only Python I ever did. Oh, that's fine. Python is a very versatile language. It's painful, yes. It's not easy. It's not easy. You need to learn. You need to know a lot of math in order to build a real AI, like language model and everything. A lot of people confuse with Python AI means using the AI. No. If you're doing machine learning, you're training a machine to learn the data and become an AI of it from itself, then that's tough. Game development is also tough. I mean, I tried it, not with the passion you have, but I really tried it. Nah, I couldn't make it. What else is the problem here? So I am a full stack software engineer. I know it's not as cool sounding as game development, but it's really good. If you love it, it's good. A lot of challenges, a lot of things, a lot of puzzles. It's fun. It's stressful at times, but it's fun. Uh, so even well, coming to personality, yes, it's true that you can understand what's the developer is thinking when you play the game. You understand what is happening in his mind. But I also say, in the front end, in the websites, you can understand what the developer is trying to say. Let's say this. Let's go for a come on, man. Let's pick something. So let's go with this. So it's a retro based website. It's completely 3D. It's you can see like it's a game-ish. Oh, you can understand the developer mindset inside it. He put a lot of effort on the computer and the keyboard, but he didn't have the enough interest to kind of set up what's happening in the background. It's not a bad thing. It's just what's happening, and you can guess what's important for the developer. I mean, yeah, it can have multiple developers. They might have still, but same. There is only a few people who have the power to decide what happens, and they only focus much on computer rather than the other stuff. So we can also go for the other one. Oh, this is a YouTube video. Nah, no copyright. Oh, I have an idea. Sometimes, are you aware of thinking paralysis? I think some dude has made like an entire. it's jelly. So so the thing is, you can see the website is Jelly Mario. We can see the intention and mindset behind it. He focused a lot on physics. He has done some painful work to understand the physics. It's not the looks, it's not the sound, it's not pretty, but he did a lot of work. So these kind of fun things you can get from watching other people's work. So let's go with this. What is this? I have no idea. It's a prison? What is this? This seems cool. Excuse me, this is not what I meant. Oh, something went wrong. Okay. So someone has made an entire operating system in Windows. So React.js Windows OS. I lost it when somebody did this. I lost my mind. Not this, not this, not this. And Windows? Yep. It's a Windows, but it's a website. Test. You see this? Yeah. Test again. Somebody has made a Windows. Imagine the amount of work they had to put. I mean, yeah, it's not really like complete Windows, but I think even it has the loading animation. Are you still here? You're missing the fun part. One idea I had was to focus on scene. The concept would be that you only see the character's dream, so that the scene changes every time. Then at the end there is a boss. So all I see the concept. I'm just imagining myself playing the game, and the concept would be that you only see the character's dream. So the scenes change every time, and the end there is a boss. Yeah, okay, VR. So I enter a scene, and what exactly am I doing there? I have a scene. Should I fight someone, or should I find something, or should I? It's a detective game, or it's a shooting game. It's a puzzle kind of game. So every game, I mean, once you go into the scene, there needs to be a purpose to watch that, and what that has to do with the final boss. I'm not doubting your creativity, I'm just guessing it. Yeah, damn, it's like a whole VM. There is another one. There are a lot of good projects. You explore and kill mobs to level up, and leveling up would ultimately give abilities. So I'm guessing this. So there's a child, maybe 5-year-old, he's dreaming about space. He likes rockets. So now you are a rocket, and there is a alien who is a boss. You kill it, and all of a sudden the dream changes that he's on a bike, where the cop is a boss. I mean, the boss enemy, and you are a bike, so you have to cross the boss. After that, the scene changes to something like horror. Am I getting into the right spot? This is what I can come up with. I think I have matched at least 50%. Oh, that's it. That's nice. So yeah, now, I mean, you can basically guess what my dreams would be. Gaming. I don't know why I said cops. I wasn't chased by cops anytime, but I don't know why. Yeah, games would be the first thing, and horror. I watch a lot of horror movies, so that's where the other thing is coming up. Nice. Programming is fun, man. I don't know why people. There are a lot of people who don't like programming. They say, yeah, it's boring. But basically, the concept is that the person is getting worse, so the dreams become worse, and there are more mobs, okay, and stronger since you level up. It's an awesome idea. It says me to do this. Yeah, it's actually done. I just need to connect the database. It was working fine without the database, but I just need to do this. Give me just 1 minute. There should be a function called init. Where is it? Init database. database connection, and it should open the database file. Don't know why it's not happening. Are there some performance issues? Okay. I'm just asking ChatGPT so that I don't exactly know how much my memory has and what values I need to put. So I'm just using this. I use ChatGPT as a where the damn should I use it? Default options, badger, and then apply these. That's it. Does it work? I don't know how fast it's going to be, but I guess that's what I have to. I'm going to paste it. Fix this. I would like to show the speak command. It's good. So you almost know what else I have. So in future I will be bringing a lot more. For now, these are what I have. If you're busy or if you have some things to do, what is this? There's no method. Is it the error caused by log? It's a damn log. Oh, we're working on it. Fine. I'm going to cut this out, see what was there before. So badger.default options is this. It should accept the value of context. So it should accept the option type of badge options. What is this? Ignore this. Hope this works. No. Oh, declare but not use. What an idiot, dude. What an idiot. Options. So now this is being used. I don't need all this. No. It's working fine now, I guess. No. I just like to make sure it's working. Main.go. Cannot read a log file. Other process. The process cannot. Who the hell is using the file? Oh, I'm already running the file. My bad. Is it running? So it's running fine now. So making a build out of it. So where's the readme? I'm going to copy all this and perform this. Paste anyway. It's going to build. And then I'm going to commit these. Yeah, both changes. Database log. Commit, think, do, done, then comes to be here. I'm going to put stash. Okay, what else? Okay, that's done. Edit dot pull. Come on, do it. Done. No, not yet. Okay, cd alerts. Let's chmod plus x alerts. Let's say sudo alerts. We hope this works. What else is no. Opening existing file. Tim. Cannot allocate memory. I think I need to search the web. What's happening? BadgerDB. You know, if you're able to use a branch. What is this? So old DB is working fine. It's very old, I don't want to use this. Is that better now? Okay, there's a B board. What is that? The seems fun. Installing, we do this. Is it the same? I think it's doing the exact same thing. Oh, I don't really want to change it right now. What intensive? What is the issue with it? Alerts database. In memory words. Let's bring up the size to 16 MB. I'm still getting the same thing. Cannot allocate memory. Same issue. It'll analyze this. But it says for me to do this. Say something. It says log files with value of log files. Four out of 20. Okay, let's go to Badger DB. I need to get into less memory intensive database handling system. The SQLite was working fine actually. The only problem I had was the updates and drivers. It was actually working great if I compare it now. Maybe I need to go back to SQLite. Max table. There is no such thing as max table. Okay, log. Size. Is there any size? There is nothing inside it. Okay. The problem with the other one was I was having a tough time to. Oh, it's almost 11:26. Damn it. Guess I need to stay with SQLite then. Or else I could just simply use some kind of database itself. I'll just simply use MongoDB. Raspberry Pi. I don't need MongoDB Raspberry Pi, but that's fine. It's even better to have the instance running in my PC. So Docker MongoDB. It's Docker. If I have the Docker instance running, I can just I think that's better. So installing the MongoDB Docker. I don't know what to do. Why SQLite didn't give me any issues? I should have used SQLite then. Okay, let's bring back SQLite. So today's stream is going to be bringing back SQLite. It's fun, man. It's fun. So origin, maybe two others. No. What was the previous one? It was Badger before, 2 weeks ago, just fix. Database, it has this. Okay, go SQLite. This is what I'm going to do now. Just import this. I'm not going to use Badger anymore. So I don't need this. Go install Go SQLite. I think a dot. What is this? Does anyone know how to install it? Oh, go get. Okay, this is fine. This is fine. Okay, I think I have installed it. I need this. So JSON object that stays same. I don't need Badger. So where was my connection string? db.path, all these things remain the same. Good sense that you're streaming. Anthan, welcome back. I was almost done. I was about to push my code into Raspberry Pi. That's when I realized the database I'm going to use doesn't support low memory based applications. So I went from SQLite to BadgerDB. It was working fine in dev, it was perfectly fine. But then I faced issues. Now I'm moving from BadgerDB and going back to SQLite. Yep, that's where I am right now. I still stream 30 more minutes. I'm sure I can wrap this things up quickly. So how is your day, Anton? Is everything all right? Welcome back to the stream. By the way, let me give you a grand welcome. I don't know if it works because my server is dead. So okay. Yeah, same thing happened to me as well. There was a lot of work and a lot of damn stupid things. I don't think I need to convert from JSON back to here, so I'm going to comment these. Or else just don't use it. If I'm not going to use it, I'm not going to use it. What's happening here? Oh, I'm initializing the errors, then fine. This is safe here. This can be safe. Just do this. So are you good with Golang in general? Long good day. Mine was fine. I had some fun stuff. I had some sad stuff. Not sad, but stuff. And yeah, now I'm all in one piece, so it's fine. So testing 3, 2, 1, go. No, not this. env dev. I don't know if that works. Yeah, that seems like it's working. Okay, there is a user DB now. It should send requests anytime soon. I just wanted to make sure everything is working fine, so here you go. Check. It's working. Okay. Hi. Why is it requesting again and again? Hi. Looks like it's not updating my points, so I'm going to do that. So check for user exists. If it exists, then update the user. So this is the user points. Get the user points. Oh, so fetch the user. Something is wrong. By ID, it's going to return the user. Scan. I think this is causing the issue. Let's go back to the basics. Into the go. When a message pops up, it should go to body parser and process message queue, and you should go to the database, mine, and then it should check for user exists. So that means this is wrong. What's causing the issue here? I'm not even setting anything. Yes. So user is true, false. Should here exists equals to true. So let's fmt.print ln. So found user is going to be user. Oh, I'm returning it directly over here. Okay. I'm going to do this. Why is exists false? This should be true. Let's check it now. Hi. I hope it works, man. It's still inserting it. It's still damn inserting it. Why is it damn inserting it? So, what I think is, let's see what this thing is getting it into. Okay, username, user found is this. Or maybe this is right. Or maybe this is right, but insertion itself is not working. Let's check that. So the points is initialized to 1 and message that. Join date is this. Was there any error here? So last video is this. Last scene is also this. It should work effective. Crossing messages not nil returned user. Okay. Let's see. fmt dot. I don't think this should be working. Okay. Cursor. So let's see what this cursor has to do. country.println. What exactly is this SQL result? Dot rows affected. Let's see what it returns. Loud. So let's send a message. Hi. It's returning null. Not every data does not support this. It's fine. It says one null. What is? So that means one row has been affected? Or am I printing anything here? I'm not printing anything here. This is the user object. Did it find it? Yes, I'm just making sure to print this as well. So this is the same. How can I see whether it's working or not? Exists. Update user. Update user set. Username points 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yep, that's perfectly fine. So that means inserting it, it's unable to get it. Check the user if exists. Now so here select everything where user ID is this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9. Fine. And then from users where user is this, rows equal to this. Cannot row if it is not null. Return this. I just want to see. I just want to print the results here. The user, it's not finding anything else. Am I searching the wrong one? Maybe user ID. User ID is the same. What else? What else? What else? What else? Let's make a print row. See. Just working fine, I guess. Just working fine. What is it running inside? Okay, let's see. Check. Why is the damn inserting it? Why is it inserting it? No, I don't want it to insert. It should find my user ID. It was working fine before. So I went to this. So I'm unable to fetch it. I just want to know. I want to print all the results. Let's just do that. Let's just do it. Give me a function to print out all the results. I already had this code working. I don't know what I messed it up. I just asked ChatGPT. I only have 15 more minutes left. I'm going to print all users for basically results.this. Anytime a message occurs, it should print all the results. Okay, check. So we can see it has it. It is having the result. Why is it not able to find it? Maybe I'm comparing it with the wrong one. I'm missing something. I'm missing something. I'm missing it. So we can see the user ID is right here. It even print like passing messages. This is my user which is in the database. We can see the user ID is here. This is the user ID. I think that's perfectly the same. Yep, that's the same. But why isn't it able to get it? Okay, let's go for check function. Does it return anything? What does it mean? Dot. So also I need to go for row scan. Where is the documentation for this? Is there any documentation, please? Okay, row scan. Rows columns. Okay, what is next result sets? No, row scan. Yep, scan the copies. What is this? Scan converts the column read from the database into the following row types and special types provided by the SQL package. I don't think I'm giving the right type for it to convert it. Damn it. So here, what is the types for this? Here it's a string. That should be a string. It has this. It's a string, nice, and it's a text. It's a text. It's an integer. It's a text. It's a text. It's a text. It's a text. The data types are fine. I have the usernames. You can see my user ID here, but function returns false. Thing do. Again, it's not printing anything. So. Does it has any error? Is that why it's showing any issues? It's false, but looks like it has the user inside it. Error equal to error SQL. Let me just print the damn error. Else tpm print error. I think there's something wrong with the error. send the message. It's nil. So there is no nil, but for some reason this is being executed. You can see user found. Oh, that's found user. Okay, something is wrong, I guess. Oh, that's false. I might need to maybe have an else condition here. It says exists equals to. I mean, if it didn't come till here, that means exists equals to true. So let's see if this has something to do. Okay, let's go. It has a damn user, man. Messed it up. Okay, that's fine. Okay, check. I hope this works. So user has found. So it was the stupid thing. Okay, now check all. Hi. So it should, my score should be going to 3 now. Nice. And then print how many points do I have. It should print that inside it. Nice. So 2 points. So because this is working. So I don't need this found user. I don't need this. Okay, 10 more minutes. I'll just push this code. I don't need the user DB. I'm going to reset it anyways, so that's fine. But I need to have a script which would update the following. As it's going to stay all the time, I'm going to handle that later. So it stays the same. And is there anything else I need to put it? I know it's SQL, but imagine I need to create a new column. Create me a function for that. Database, I'm going to just have the code here, alter database. Okay. Just don't want to mess with this, man. I wish it was JSON based, but what if I save this as JSON itself? What if I store user ID and JSON byte data? So it will be easier. I promise it won't be a long JSON. I think this approach will be a lot better. So I would like to stick to this. Database jam connection. Migration, it's painful. So I'm going to deal with this in this way. Fine. Let's just delete this damn file later on. Insert a JSON for the user. Is the damn insert the user of inside? Okay, nice. And get user by ID. Get user by ID. This is fine. ID, if it's the user, then queryable fetch select JSON from where user ID. I'm just saving everything as a JSON. Okay. Date. What is this? User. User. That's fine. I don't think I need daily user, but it's fine. Let's have it. And then the last thing, print all users. So let's see. What? I don't need this. I don't need this. Okay, that's fine. So before I proceed, I just need to delete these. I don't need this, as well as the where the hell is the database file? Was it in memory till now? Oh, it's right here. User DB. Okay, delete. Nice. Okay, let's see. Allow, it's created the database file. I guess it's fine. Then check. Column username. Okay. Error checking username extension logic. No column username SQL logic error. No problem. SQL logic. I think it's probably get. I think this is the one error. Error checking user existence. Okay, this one checking user existence. What's the cause? Oh. It didn't change this. This is the right code. Let's see. I don't have it. Looking for this. How am I doing it? I think it's unmarshal. Yeah, it's unmarshal, and what else? Returns 2, so let's call it as data. It's fine. This is the by data. I don't need this. Okay, it's going to return it. Instead of here, it should be user. Okay, let's try this. Check. It's 1. Hi again. It's 2. I think it's working now. It's working. Hello. Now I should be having 3 points. Working as expected. Finally. So I'm going to push the changes, generate a build. Let's make this up and running. I have to go to sleep. Come on. Read me. I'm going to get all these and place it here. Place it in anyway. I'm waiting for it to build. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I have to run git mod tidy as well because I have used almost a lot of storage. So once it builds, I'll do that. There's no more a Badger DB, so it's still SQLite. Oh, I am bad with calculus. Oh, I didn't execute this damn code. I just typed the code, but I didn't press enter. I was able to fix this, so I will show you what's happening. Let me just one more. What's it? Congratulations again. I can work with others sometime later. So should congratulate, and after it congratulations. Where is this coming from? Oh, this is not the one. Okay, where is the points database? No. Yep, right here. The user points is 1. Perfect. And else this, and this. Not contains from this, and not contains whatever it is. User. What is this? Oh, if I already did this, then don't do that. Okay. Okay, if I did this, then don't do that. Nice. So if I do this, then don't have to do this. I found the fix for that. Nice, awesome. Then let's just check how it's working. And what else did I miss? There's a lot of spam being going on in here. Works fine. I don't need user DB, so I commit this. I don't think it's a valid thing to commit, so I'm just going to ignore it. Read me. No, Eriksson. Where is the git ignore? Git ignore. What? Is there a git ignore file? It should be a git ignore file up right here, so don't need this. I'm going to ignore this. Add to git ignore. Nice. So that has been ignored. Perfect. I need this, and I don't need this. Don't need this. I think I might be good to go now. So let's make one more build. Okay, I hope this is fine now. Back to SQLite. Commit. Sync up the changes. Go to the tmux and see the ls stash. How can I delete all the stash? What's the command for it? That's fine. Get pull. I hope this works fine now. CD alerts. I messed it up. CD alert. LS CD alert badger. I should have deleted the badges file. That's fine. RM RF badger DB. Permission in and okay. So RM RF badger DB. That's fine. Okay, the rest. Pmod plus X alerts. Fine. Then sudo DD alerts. This is the final step. It's working. So last step to check before I make it final. So dev, do this. What it's running? Running in dev again. Why would it be running in dev? Running in dev. Did someone like? Or did it go above 0? I don't know. Is my backend still running? Still running. Okay, so that means it's coming from here. So main take stats. No, this is not the right one. I can close it. Hey, 1 second, please. Index, I don't need this. It's working fine. This is the bot. Main. If it's dev, but it's not dev, is it? And I run this and dev. When I give go run main.go, I want it to run in prod. That's what I'm doing, idiot. That's exactly what I'm doing. I didn't give anything. I am doing the dereferencing pointer. What I'm talking about. I don't know how it's working. You know what? Let's just try it. Go build bot. Okay, enjoy your pee. It says go build bot.exe. I did something, so let's try to run it. Loading stream assistant. There's the damn bot and the main, and it should started in dev. Why would it be running in the dev, man? So basically I can just disable this. I don't need this. documents, disable this, and environment set to prod. Else, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Okay. Ignore this, I guess. I don't need it. Who cares? So, why would it be running in dev? Why would it be running in dev? Thank you. If you liked it, thank you. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. What else am I missing? I got it. It's a string pointer. It's a damn string pointer. So fmp dot print ln. Let's see what does it return. Flags are dev. I didn't give any flag. How can it get that thing? Oh, welcome back, Anton. I'm almost done. The database is currently working. I just need to do some small change. Just small change. Defaults to dev. Let me just try this. If it's working, then fine. Go run main.go env prod env. Let's see. Oh, that's working fine now. Okay, okay. But I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. How can I set this for go build output? If I didn't give env, I need to default to prod. Oh my god, that's prod. Okay, okay. If I didn't give it, it goes to prod. Now that should be working fine. If I didn't give it, it should go to prod. Awesome, man. Awesome. Cancel. I'm just making sure everything is working fine one last time. There are a lot of... I don't think I'm getting that many likes. The moment I restart my server, it's... Oh, thanks for the like. Hello. This is the final test, boys. This is the final test. Okay. Just keep spamming. Just keep spamming. Just keep spamming. It does like that for the first time. Hi. I hope it works. I don't have enough energy to fix it. Okay, this is my first point. Wonderful. And hey, it's me. And it's my second point. It shouldn't be greeting me. And if I do this, points, it will return my points. 3 points, nice. Set ice, please. It sets ice. Now I'm going to put speak command. Speak hello. What's up? Anton. I hope it works. It's not working. Oh, maybe it should work. I don't know why it didn't work. That should work. Something I missed something. So the good thing is the bot is working. So there is no changes needed for the bot. It's the alerts now. So I come to this. I take the messages. I go to the process. I go to this function, process message queues, right here, and it's supposed to execute this. Why isn't it doing this? Let's take it one more time. Let's take it one more time. Let's take it one more time. I don't need this server now, so ignoring it. Speak, hi. Every message, it's doing something else. User exists updating. It's almost 12:30, man. I should go to sleep by now. I'm so sorry. I thought it's going to work. Give me some time. So process message is cool. It should come till here. Didn't even come till here. So I don't know if this caused the issue or the other one. So where's the damn thing? It's messages. Process the user points. Okay, I don't need this. What else? Oh, you can have 3 billion points. No worries. But I still haven't set up anything with the points yet, so you're good to go. It's not really the points I'm trying to save, it's the first video you have joined my stream into, and the other one is the last scene, the first comment and the last comment, timestamps. Yeah. Based on that, I would like to make a website one day, so to showcase all my user base. It should have been up by now. The amount of efforts I put in, it should have been up by now. But I don't know why this is not working now. The speak command is dead. Processing speak queue, not this. Processing speak queue. What's wrong with this? Something is. I think this is not true. That's what causing the issue. I can see so the username is Anton. Anton, username Anton, points. These are the points. Knife. Why isn't my CS class said if we think something will take 2 hours, it will usually take 4 hours. Yeah, I just gave up the idea of thinking how long it will take. But deep down, we know that it shouldn't take more time. You got my point? I mean, you write, okay, I write this. Maybe I debug some issues, but now there is no reason it wouldn't work. Hi. Check final. Came till here. Why is it going for that? I don't know. So speak command, it starts with this. The length of the message is 6. And does this. Why is it having multiple issues here? If it goes for speak, I don't need this one more. Oh, it does. I learned few things today. I thought previously I put return in this way, it was returning the entire function. I came to know the difference between continue and return. Yeah, that took some time. But it was worth it because I learned something. But this, it was working fine before. Why would it work now? So let me just debug this. Speak not processed. Let me just confirm if eyes and everything is working. Show Batman. This is working. Why is the damn thing not working? Or maybe it is working and I messed it up. Let me just... I'm sure this is the one problem. I'm still here, no worries. Let's see now. Speak. Hi, Anton. Hope it works, man. So the thing is, I know what's causing the issue. I have to fix that one day. I cannot leave that alone. I have to fix it. Oof. That's good. I got the issue. Hey, Anton, you're here? You're here? I like to show you something. Come back, please. I did all this work. Yeah, you're here? Okay, now use the speak command. It's working. I was not supposed to make any changes. It was working. So try it. You'll like it. Just send exclamation speak. Say something. So main, whatever. I'll still keep it. I don't want to make any changes. Hey, you saw that? You have crossed 10 points. You should have more points, but I am playing with the database, so that's the cause. Ah, you saw that? Nice. That's the speak command. That's the speak. I will be bringing more commands, so that when I'm not going to use points for now, but when my channel grows one day, hopefully it does, I'm going to use this point so that you can type any garbage. I will show you. Speak. Hey, it's me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I wanted it to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but it said that instead. Yep. Now that is working. I have a lot more ideas, man. I have a lot more ideas now. But I need to fix that. I cannot refresh every time I do that. I need to bring up some solution for that, but that's not in my priority. I think it's fading out, isn't it? Hi. Speak. Hi, how are you? I didn't give much thought about it. Oh no, it's not fading in, fading out. I'll just do it now. Let's see. Static. This is speak. HTML. Speak. Yes. So I'll just give it to damn ChatGPT. It's going to handle it. This is a wrapper. Fine. I can just change the opacity, maybe. Maybe I didn't give much thought into it because it wasn't my priority in the first place. So I'll just make it quick. Give it to ChatGPT. Animate the opacity. I'm sure it gives me a solution. It's not that hard. It's true that it's not that hard. That's it. It says it's a one-line fix, but if it was a one-line fix, I shouldn't be having this hard text. Where is the damn text? Okay. This transition all. Let's give it 0.5 seconds. Okay, now I need to let me control this fasak. Are you aware of this application fasak? It's a so I have to do this overlays and refresh. Okay, that's working fine. Game. Okay, I'm doing this. I think it's already running. Isn't it running? It's running, so it's fine. So disconnect. Now do it. Speak. Hey, beautiful. It's working. See, I know the solution. I know it's possible. So I got a lot of ideas now. Let's wrap it up for today. It's too late. I have to get to work tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, I guess. No, tomorrow is Thursday. No, tomorrow is Friday. It's weekend. It's weekend. Okay. Tomorrow I'm going to play a game. I think this setup is fine for now. I'll play a game tomorrow. Ooh, that's awesome. Thanks for joining. You have anything to say? I'll still be here for 10 more minutes. It's fine. Okay, I need this. I'm going to commit. What file is it? Alerts. So let's make a final build. Let's make final build. What file is this? Oh, you're just doing math? Oh, really? I find it very interesting. I'm so happy about it. Okay, this is wonderful. I need these two changes, and obviously these needs two changes. Okay, hot fixes. But before that, I need to build this file. So go to build. Awesome. And then what else? Hot fixes. I commit this. Seeing the changes. If you're productive, then I have to be. I can put more hours, you know. If it was 10 p.m., I can go on for two more hours. It's just I don't want to be awake after 12 o'clock, but now it's almost 12:30, and I don't get much sleep. I think it's better if I don't suggest taking this. It's melatonin. If you're aware of it, fine. If not, don't be aware of it. It just helps me to sleep. I'm taking half of this. I only take it when I really want to sleep, but I don't get sleep because I'm constantly thinking about something. So this is my stack, temporary stack, and this is my database. I'm going to put some data into my in-memory stack so that I don't have to do a lot of queries on that big database. It would take performance issues, but now I can just use this reusable, like frequently used queries. I would like to sleep, man. So this is what happens. I go to bed, I will think, no, I should have used this. No, I think I should have did it in this way. Did I push my change? Did I save the database? That's what I would be thinking. But now everything's handled. So I'm closing the server. It would be dead for now. And I'll be doing a git pull. I think I'd be getting a merge conflict. I hope I don't. I hope I don't. Yeah. Git stash. Git stash clear. What's the command? I think it's git stash clear. Okay. Git pull. Okay, CD alerts. I am about to finish. I'm going to go sleep early today. Ls pmod plus x alerts. Ls, yep, that's green. So alerts. Beep. Now that's up. This application is working as expected. Let's go, boys. Now let's do this. Let's just make final checks. Hey, beautiful, BEAUTIFUL. I hope this works. What happened again? Oh, I just restarted the server. That means I need to restart this server as well. Okay, that's up. See now. I have to come up with another bright solution than this. Speak. Hi. How are you? Oh, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. It's working. If the speak command is working, then everything else is also working. No problem. So I'm going to close this. Okay, two, and these are working fine. I'm going to close this. No longer needed. 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 I should have done this. Okay. Go build -o bot.exe. This will give me basically update the file so that I get the updated source file. Nice. Let's close. I don't need this. I don't need this. All right, Anton, I will wrap it up for today. Would you like to use any of the commands? You're free to go. But if not, I can push the buttons and go back to sleep. It's been good. Yeah, I'm happy now. I have to fix this speak thing. I don't know what logic I would be building now. Good day, man. I'll be seeing you soon. I'll be playing tomorrow some games. It's been a while I played games, so I really want to play games. Hope you join, even though it's not coding. Just say hello and leave. Thank you. Best of luck. Good luck with your calculus, and be productive. I always wanted to end in a very positive note, so connect. See, I have to go through all these, to just stop and start the string. Okay, be productive. Have a good day. Bye.